Welcome to Phillip Highlights. I'm Summer, and I'm serving you the latest news of the week. Your news, our business. US consumer spending was weaker than expected as retail sales declined -1% month-on-month in March 2023, a sharper fall than market's expectation of -0.4% month-on-month decline. We believe US consumer demand would be constrained by increasing borrowing costs and still elevated inflation. With inflation remaining above the Fed's target, the resilience in the US economy provides rooms for another rate hike by the Fed at the next meeting. Within a broad agreement at the European Central Bank on the need to raise interest rate further, are enduring preferences among some officials for another big hike as inflation remains elevated. To note, ECB's deposit rate currently stands at 3%. We believe the ECB will likely to continue on its tightening path in the May meeting until underlying price pressures are moderating. China will be the top contributor to global growth over the next 5 years, with its shares set to be double of the US shares, according to the International Monetary Fund. The nation's slice of global gross domestic product expansion is expected to represent 22.6% of total world growth through 2028, according to Bloomberg calculations using data that the fund released in its World Economic Outlook last week. India followed at 12.9%, while the US will contribute 11.3%. We believe the growing importance of the Chinese economy to the world should attract more inflows from the Western allocator in near future. The Malaysian Automotive Association said total vehicle sales for March 2023 hit a new monthly all-time high of 78,849 units, surpassing the previous record of 76,657 units in December 2022. This was underpinned by the fulfillment of bookings made during the sales exemption period and Raya promotional campaigns. While this year is expected to be more favorable for investment than the previous year, it is important to stay watchful for any market volatility. PhillipCapital Malaysia provides a comprehensive list of products, including discretionary private managed account and unit trusts that are offered to retail investors, high net worth individuals, corporations, and institutions. Whether you want to DIY, seek for advice, or let the expertise fully handle your portfolio, our platform can cater to your needs and preferred way to achieve your financial goals. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next Phillip Highlights. This update is brought to you by PhillipCapital, your partner in finance.